Hello, do you use Blender in your workflow? If so, let me introduce you to Batch Render Creator, a 5-star rated software on Gumroad. It is a render queue designed specifically for Blender, built to be simple, lightweight on CPU usage, and reliable. It also features a robust automatic recovery system in case Blender crashes or freezes, helping streamline your workflow and allowing you to leave your scenes rendering overnight, for example. Using it is very simple. Just select the Blender version you want to use for rendering, drag and drop your Blender scenes into the interface, and wait for them to load. You can also enable desktop notifications and sound alerts so you are notified whenever each render job is completed. In addition, you can configure actions to be performed after rendering, such as shutting down your computer when all jobs are finished or putting it into sleep mode. Starting with Batch Render Creator version 3.5, you can also monitor CPU and GPU usage, view detailed information about your graphics card, and track your computer's RAM usage. An image sequence preview system has also been added, allowing you to see how the rendering process is progressing. Download Batch Render Creator today. It is a software application that has been actively developed since 2020, offering a fairly priced Plus version as well as a free version. The free version uses the same core rendering system and remains a solid option, although it includes fewer tools. Visit Gumroad today to learn everything about Batch Render Creator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.